This video guide will provide people with instructions to remove the ransomware that is called DC. This ransomware belongs to the Dharma ransomware family. DC is a piece of malicious software that encrypts data and renders files unusable. Then it demands ransoms for the decryption. Before the ransomware actually attacks the system, people can open their files without any problems. But because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system of the specific computer, this ransomware may some way or another be injected into the system. Files that are modified by this ransomware are also appended with the unique ID assigned to the victim, the cyber criminal's email address, and finally the DC extension. Then the ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that all your files have been encrypted. And this is true, all the files have been encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom and to contact these criminals using this email address. And of course it tells the victims to pay the ransom, but you should not pay the ransom in any case, because there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored. So this is the extension of the file modified by the ransomware, and of course people cannot open the file. To remove the ransomware fully from your system, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may download it through Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers may have their desktop icons encrypted. So start Internet Explorer through this location, see Program Files, Internet Explorer. Then we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it. After it gets installed, you might need to implement similar tricks to run Combo Cleaner. Go to Program Files, Combo Cleaner folder. Find Combo Cleaner application and start it to begin the research of your system. Combo Cleaner will detect this DC ransomware, remove it effectively, and protect your data from being damaged in the future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.